And then with the GPTs, what you do is that they have fine-tuned models which can help you perform specific tasks. And I don't know whether you realize when you use AI to generate content, it sounds a little bit robotic. Sometimes the sentences are very, very complex too, for you yourself to even understand. You have to do a lot of prompting and all those things. And one thing about AI is that when you use it to generate content, it kind of do repetition. Say it is writing about Josephine. Josephine is a very good person, blah blah blah. Instead of saying she, the next sentence will be like maybe she does this, will be like Josephine, Josephine, all the time Josephine. So it doesn't sound really like human. So we have some GPTs, in there. When I say GPTs, more like custom chat GPTs to make things, to help you do a lot of things, which I wanted to share with you today. So today we're not going to keep long. Maybe by the time they had this come, we had already finished everything and go. So I don't know if you see my screen, then you let me know. Um, do you see my screen, guys? Josephine, do you see my screen? Ebenezer?
I think you do. I think what I'm
Yeah, I
seeing
can
is
see
the
your screen.
desktop. Is it the desktop?
Okay, I think
What I
you.
see is the desktop.
Okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I'm glad. So let me admit Jabir and we go. Jabir, you're welcome. How are you doing? Hope you had a great Eid. All the Muslims in the group, I'm waiting for you. You have to send me my barka result. Otherwise,
Thank you.
when you join the next one, I will not let you.
Uh,
I said I hope you enjoyed your time.
yes, yes, yes. Everything was. I will say Alhamdulillah.
And you never, remembered your teacher. You enjoyed it alone.
Oh, the meat. I'm still transporting the meat from Tamale to Kumasi, so I'm still in the bus cry.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So you pass by Tech Junction, sharp sharp. Maybe when you get
All
to
right, no problem.
Borough Mall. Okay, so guys, like I was saying, today we're going to explore some features, right? So I thought, they are worth letting you know. And I know some of you have already explored them, but I'll also give you some of the ideas of how you can use these things to more like to better yourself, to do your daily activities, your daily life and all those stuff. So for me, I hope all of us have access to ChatGPT. Josephine, do you have access to ChatGPT?
Yes, yes, please, I do.
Okay, so I assume everybody has ChatGPT, so we're not going to really talk about how um, we're going to access ChatGPT and the rest. So okay, so you can see my screen. I've already been using them for a lot of, trials and all those things. So this is ChatGPT. All of us know, but you realize that when you come, you will see something like this here. Explore GPTs. First, before we even come to the explore GPTs, you see that there is this little pin icon there. It helps you to upload, you know, it helps you to upload files like PDF, like Excel sheets, and all those things. For example, you can upload Excel sheet and tell it to kind of like analyze. Let's say it is your sales data or maybe a data from your company or something like that. It can help you analyze it. It can do some accounting stuff. It can do some reporting stuff, like Josephine the last time we were talking about. So you can actually upload those things, not only Excel, but also PDFs and other stuff, even textbooks for it to maybe you have slides, you want it to summarize everything for you, or maybe give you probable questions that can come and all those things. So the good thing is you can connect to Google Drive. Maybe the file or the document is on your Google Drive, You can connect with it. You can connect with Microsoft OneDrive. You can also upload from your PC. Say the document is already on your PC, then boom, um, you can just upload from your PC. So when you click on upload from your PC, for example, you can actually select the thing and then do. I'm not going to do it. You can do yourself. Now, so that is one thing I would like to tell you. Now, AI is advancing. It is getting more knowledge. It is getting more personality. More, I mean, it is getting better. So you don't need to still go by the old ways. I think we can use some of these things to help our life better. And the next thing I would like to talk about is the Explore GPTs here. I don't know whether everybody sees that. The Explore GPTs. You see, when you go to the side pane, you see Explore GPTs. For me, I have these ones because I've already tried some of them. But here is some to explore GPTs. So when I click on explore GPTs, GPTs are more like smaller chat GPTs which are trained on specific or which are trained to do specific things. So when you come, it is just like this and you can access it for free. You can even create your own GPTs if you have the chat GPT plus, that is the chat GPT-4, if you have subscribed, which is $20 a month, I don't think. So now let's talk about the free things we have here. So they've grouped them into writing, productivity, research and analysis, education, lifestyle programming. And all these ones, like when you go to writing, you will see AI tools which are very good in writing. They perform specific writing tasks or tasks, for you. So, and then they have topics. Topics are the ones people are using a lot of the times, or the ones you've been communicating with a lot of the time. So you can see this one, for example, is landing page creator from HubSpot. And what this does is that it can help you create a simple landing page for maybe something. Let's say you are running a sales or marketing campaign and you want a landing page so that when somebody clicks on a particular link, it takes the person there. This can really help you do that. We have Zumba rentals, that is apartment. Your friendly, okay, Fridolin, your hand is up. I guess it's a mistake. I don't know. But if it is not mistake, you can unmute yourself and then let us know. So back to what I am saying. So we have this one too. The friendly US and Canada rental home search assistant. Let me help you pick the perfect. So it helps you with um, I mean, renting in US and Canada. And then this one is learn anything, talk to the expert. So it helps you learn. This is video GPT by Vid. This actually help you to make, it helps you make some videos. And we can just give it an idea to write the script for you.
Hello?
Yeah, so
Hello?
yeah, if you
Please, my
don't,
network is quite bad. I'm lost here. I don't really know what's going on.
well, I don't know, maybe you
I don't know
can.
if you could recap or.
Okay, so like I was saying, today we're going to just explore some features I think ChatGPT rolled them out. They've been like a month or maybe let's say 3 weeks. And
Hello?
yeah, I'm recording the session. Maybe after the session, you can go watch something like that. I guess that would help so that we don't. You know. So back to what I was saying. So this vid here or video GPT by vid, the company behind this is called Vid. And what it does is that you can take your idea, write a YouTube script, and then do what we call text to video for you. Where so I did two of them and uploaded them on the homeschool's YouTube channel just to show you as a case study. So it is very simple. You can just click on it, just give an idea, talk about something. It will write a script for you and do the video for you, and you are good to go, as easy as that. So you can just explore them. We have when you click on writing, you can see write for me, write tailored, engaging content with focus on quality, relevance, and all this. We have AI Humanizer. So this one, when AI writes the content for you and you give it to this one, it would make the content AI generated, like the AI generated content sounds more like a human who wrote it. So it will sound more like, oh, it's a human who wrote it. So this one too is um, a humanizer, or it humanizes or gives that human flair to AI generated content. This one too, the same. And then this one is generate text to video maker, just like I told you. We have copywriting for marketing and branding and all those stuff. And those who, when you click on see more, you will see a lot of them. So we have automated writer, we have a lot of things and all those things. So there is a lot. Josephine, your hand is up.
Yeah. Yes, my hand is up.
Okay.
Um, this interface looks a bit different from the usual ones we have on our phones. I don't know if it is the same thing or this is a desktop version of ChatGPT.
Yeah,
And
this is
then one
okay.
one more question: the AI humanizer and the human AI, humanized AI or something like that. When you
Yeah.
use them to maybe scrutinize or scan through your writings or your write-ups, does it still how can it pass for plagiarism test?
Okay.
I
So
don't know if you get my question.
yeah. So
Okay.
one thing is, for AI content, they don't have that issue of pluralism, but they have some ways that, if you know AI, sometimes some of the English and how it writes, it is quite complicated that you can easily see this person didn't write this all by himself or herself. So this AI stuff make it more like a human. You know, if a human is writing, like a typical example I gave you was, if you are writing about somebody, you mention the person or the subject once or twice, and you try to give use pronouns instead of the person's name, and you kind of break certain words down. Certain sentences will not be very complex. We like to use simple and compound, not compound complex sentences and all those things. So those are some of the things we have. If it is about research, now if you go to research and analysis, you would see some of them. That is these ones. We have Scholar GPT, enhance your research with. So these ones can help you, and I know other tools too that can help you do that. And I'm sure the humanizer and human AI can also help you with plagiarism, stuff. But if you really want plagiarism, stuff, then I think you should use things like Quillbot or maybe Grammarly to paraphrase. When you paraphrase, this one gives it human flair. It can get rid of some kind of plagiarism, but not so much. But if you want plagiarism, I mean, let's say paraphraser or something like that, I think you can look through, you can see some of them you can test yourself. I haven't tested on that. Um, you can check that and we see. Right. Josephine, is that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. But for me personally, if I'm dealing with research or something like that, and I want to paraphrase something, I always like using what do you call it, Quillbot or Grammarly, because those ones are also AI trained on, trained to do just that. So it really helps you. Maybe I don't know whether we can find some of them here. Maybe I'm sure when you go through them, there are lots you can actually maybe get one which you just experiment them, right, to get the one which is best for you. But if you really need a robust one, I think Grammarly and those ones should help you. Just when your hand is up again.
Yes, please. My hand is up.
Okay.
I wanted to find out if we can quickly go through how we can get this ChatGPT thing installed on our laptops. Or we
Okay.
can, it's just about going to Google and then typing that and then downloading it.
Yeah.
Is it very
Just
cumbersome?
just as simple as that. Just type ChatGPT, or if you
Hello.
like, yeah, Fridolin.
Oh.
Hello, Fridolin. I think your network is quite nice. So Um, Back to Josephine, let me just type the listing. So you can type in your search browser chat.openai.com, or you can just type, now they've changed it to chatgpt.com. So you just type chatgpt.com, and it will take you, if you don't have an account, or you have an account. If you have a GPT on your phone, I think ChatGPT on your phone, you sign in, right? So you can just sign in or log in there, and that's all. You have this. As simple as that. Josephine, is that cool? Josephine, are you there? I guess. Josephine, are you there? Okay, so let me.
Yes, please.
Okay, so I hope you got what I said.
I can. Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you too.
Yes, I did.
Okay, that's fine. So you can try it, and it's as simple as that. Very, very simple, and you are good to go. So maybe it is about time we tested one ourselves, and we see, right? And then for the programming, it's basically for programming. It helps you write programs very fast. So when you come here, we have Code Pilot, Code Copilot, which is Code Smarter. Like it helps you code. Let's say I want to create something, I can just let it create something. And this is website instantly. So it generates functional multi-page websites in beta. Our mission is to simplify. So a lot of them, we have software architect GPT, designer GPT, we have ask the code, we have a lot of them, website generator, and all those things. I think they are really great. So you can explore them, and then we will try one ourselves so that you see, I mean, how easy it is to actually. Which one should I go for? Maybe I should go for the this one, the landing page. My reason is I just want to test it and see. I didn't test it, so I want to create a landing page. So it's like it gives you an overview. You see the ratings. We have 4.3, which is quite better, which is over 600 plus rating. It has 5K plus conversations, and you can see the ratings. It's quite okay. So you test it and see. It is from HubSpot, so I'm very sure it's quite existing. So when you are there, you just click on start chat, and then just like that. So let me prompt it and see what we can get. Josephine, you can talk.
That was a mistake. That was a mistake.
Okay.
Hello.
That's, yeah, Fridolin, I guess you can just manage. I'm recording the class. When I finish, I would upload it right away, and then you can. Fridolin, are you there?
Yeah.
Is your network
My
okay
network
now?
is very poor.
Okay, don't worry. I'm recording the class, so right after the class, I can just drop everything in.
I'll be looking forward to the YouTube video.
Sure. It's
Hello.
I'm recording it. Yeah. So he's off again. So let's get back to. So here, when you don't know landing page is more like when you click on any website where you land, where it lands you, something like that. So let's say I'm running an email ad or something like a marketing, something like that. So I would I just want to create a landing page very easily. So let me just type something and see. I want to create, so we just want to create a landing page for my students, homeschool. So let's say I'm running an ad and I want you, when you click on sign up for Data Science Mastery Bootcamp, it should send you to that page, which you can just sign up and you are good to go. So let me prompt it and we go. sign up page. Or let me make students who have to register with their names or their full name, email, phone number, and gender. So I'm asking it, it should let me know if it needs any extra information to get things right. So now let me, so I prompted it, let's see what it has. Now most of these ones would give you um, will give you some questions so that it can better understand. So is it got it? Data science mastery sounds like a great bootcamp. Let's continue with some more details. What do you want your audience to know about what makes your bootcamp stand out? Um, so this is not the best way to do, but I'm just giving you something to show it. We are all testing it out. I haven't tested it out, so it is my first time too. This is my first time testing this particular GPT. So let me, I'm just thinking of something to write. So let's see if it needs any extra question, it would ask it will need something. So great, thanks for the information. So is it what do you want to let's see, what do you want your audience to choose to do? Choose or create your call to action. So I want them to so I want them to sign up. Hey, so let's see. Perfect. Lastly, choose your writing style. So choose up to three. So I want to be creative. I want to be let me say professional or only professional, only be informative. So let's see.
There's no Piomuta. You choose P.
Okay, I choose P, right? Let's see. Probably, instead of professional, like instead of G, I made P. That's weird. But let's see what it has. So page title. Let's see. It has it has so it is actually structuring everything for me. So master data science with a weekend bootcamp. Okay, join data science mastery and transform your career with flexible much student support. So paragraph one header, learn more about data science, and paragraph one is our data science blah blah. Paragraph two, so it's basically structuring everything for you so that you can just design it. I don't know whether it would maybe in the end design it for me or something like that. If you are satisfied or you would like to bring the landing page, like I can create it in Hotspot. Let me know. Yeah. So let me tell it, create it. So it has given me the outline and it is asking me if I am okay, it can proceed to create it. So I'll be like, create it. Or you can prompt it in any way. Go ahead. Okay, I'm just about to. I don't know why it keeps breaking. Sometimes it's about to ask you to approve, to send a general landing page, copy to this thing, which would save landing page once you see it. So let's see. I don't know why sometimes it's kind of um, once you confirm the request, I think feel free to inspect your content by clicking on landing page. So let's see, it is still doing. It hasn't finished. Sometimes it's kind of slows down. I think that's one thing I've seen about these GPTs, especially when you are doing other things with it. It kind of slows down a little bit, and I'm sure it's because I'm also sharing my screen. Sharing your screen actually takes a lot of memory from your PC, I guess. So we need to confirm. So we need to confirm. So you see, talk to API, blah blah. So it's actually, I guess, it is doing it. Let's see. So preview your landing page. Okay, we are seeing something. I just hope um, it is very amazing. AI is amazing, isn't it, Josephine? Sometimes when you look at AI, myself, I get scared sometimes. I just don't know how the future is going to be. I feel like AI can be used for bad too, where people can use AI's power to do a lot of bad things. Josephine, what do you think?
I think
So,
so too. I can tell AI to get into somebody's account and transfer some money to me. Do you think we can get to that?
yeah, let's see if you have some kind of hacking, background. Then AI can help you write better codes to, lure people. So it tells me your landing page has been created. You can preview it by clicking the button below. After preview, you can sign up to HubSpot by to finish editing and publish. Okay, so let me click on it. But before I click on it, it's going to open a new tab. So I have to stop sharing and then share my entire screen rather, so that we can all see something like that. So let me click on this. So now you would see it will mirror for some time, but when I switch over, it should be verified. Okay, Josephine, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so now I click on API.hotspots. Let's come up here. So let's see what it has for us. I'll be very very surprised if it's. I don't expect it to be something kitty kitty here, but I'll be very very surprised if it's great. Now let's see. It looks nice from the first view. This is how your content looks on the landing page in HubSpot. Sign up. edit and publish it for free. Now let's see it has finished. Well, it didn't, so I guess we put an image here, but I didn't put any image there. So when you look, data science, master data science with weekend bootcamp. Join data science, blah blah blah, and you have the sign up button, which can help you, which you can add maybe sign up. Then you have a little image here, which so learn modern data science and blah 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 has some stuff. Our bootcamp offers the best way to master modern data science techniques. With classes scheduled on weekends, you can balance learning with your other commitments. Dive deep into data science with confidence and convenience. That's awesome. Flexible schedules for everyone. We understand that everyone has different schedules. That is why our classes are on weekends, ensuring that all students can participate and learn without compromising their daily responsibilities. Isn't it interesting, Josephine?
Yes, it's very interesting. I think I'd love to try this one for my kind of business.
Yeah, that's awesome. So, it's for me, that is the goodness I see about AI, but I know any good thing too has very, bad, sorry, and I don't know. Let me click on sign up to edit so that we see how easy it is to edit, right? And then we see the kind of I know HubSpot. I've used it for a very, a couple of things. They help. They have startup packs and all those things. But so let me continue with Google. Let me see. Let's continue with Google and let's see what we got. Um, uh, Now let me click it. It blocked my pop-up. Sometimes it happens. So so let's see what it has. So okay, let's sign in. Oh, boom. I listed most of the times. So let me try this and see. Yeah, let's sign in with Google. Mostly I hate this long process. I have a feel that this is one thing too I can do. Maybe we can have times where maybe computers will be using facial recognitions and a lot of things to stop some of these things. Josephine, what do you think? Ebenezer, Ebenezer, I hope you're enjoying. Dude, what's up?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you are taking some inspiration from it. So let me open my Gmail and then we see. I hate these things in my life actually. I am this person, I don't like a lot of complicated stuff. So I always prefer easy life when it comes to this PC stuff and those things. So that's why I'm a big fan of AI myself, building some few AI tools and being an advocate for AI because I think, just like this thing, if you pick someone like Josephine, it is not easy for Josephine. Josephine, sorry, I don't know if you're hurt, but I'm trying to be realistic. It's not easy for Josephine, who is not very technical, to build a landing page for her business. Josephine, is that not true? But with AI, maybe Josephine can
Very
just.
true. I usually would use my WhatsApp for a landing page, but I think
Um, so we have it here, and when you need to get started, blah blah blah. You set up the basics. So it's a lot of things going in here that you can actually, just do. So you can just sorry, you can create an account and then you can do a lot of things. We have marketing contents, commerce and all, automations and reporting and all those stuff. HubSpot is very very good for when they are free. Um, Packages are very very awesome. I just wanted to, but I think I have to go back and click on it again. Let's see, maybe that way we just sign us in automatically. Yeah, so we've already seen this. Now I wish we could just make a sign up, boom, like that, so that we can see how easy it is to edit this thing. Yeah, so now it tells me it recognizes my this thing. So let's see what I just hope uh, it just opens it up just like that. Oh, it likes too much questions. I hate systems like this. So building you boom, that's cool. It's interesting. It's very interesting, honestly. Wow, yeah. So let's start. So it's kind of showing you around and all those things. I wish I clicked next, next, good. I hate this thing. It's, it's too much. Oh, bro, finish. Let's go. So you see, you have things here. It's just a matter of hovering and just clicking and just typing just like that. A matter of that. Like any other thing. So with the sign up, if you click on it, I'm sure. So with the button, you can see, you can put the link here. Maybe you have a Google form or something which when the person clicks, it will just, so let's say we want the person to go to google.com. Mostly, if you are doing working on some of these things, you should type something like www dot. If it still tells you invalid, then you have to actually start with https, then colon, and then two forward slash. Mostly, yeah. That is how it sees it. That is how you see when you click on any link in the browser. That's how it is. So you can do few things to it, and maybe I guess with the images, apply changes. Yeah, and then with the images, let's see. Maybe we can we replace the image with maybe something from Hotspot, some image from them or something like that. So I'm just doing this because I feel like search images. Okay. Let's see AI. What of artificial? Okay, let's go to stock. Artificial intelligence. Because I want it to have a feel like, something more, you know, like the person sees and be like, okay, so let's pick this one. I don't like this. Well, it's just a test. So I agree. Well, let's go. You don't care that much. So let's see whether. So I hope all of you have seen how easy it is to do some of these editings. I'm doing this with you because I feel like it is good you know some of these things because this is where the world is going to. And if you don't know these things, you will be left behind. In a very very should I say maybe in the 18th century thereabouts, you would be shocked. So I'm glad, and I'm always on the web searching for some of these things to help you as individuals, and not just learning data science from me, but I think for you to make good use of whatever you learn, it should let you know the current trends and how best that can help you life. So this is what I actually wanted to show you today. Today we've learned the new features of ChatGPT, and then we've checked GPTs, explore GPTs, and we've tried a few ones of them. I think it's really awesome. Josephine,
Musa,
yeah,
please, I tried downloading the chat GPT for my Windows, and the interface I am getting is quite different from yours.
don't download anything. Just go to chatgpt.com in your what do you call it? For me, I don't like downloading things because it takes a lot of memory and then stuff. So you just go to chatgpt.com. You open your browser, whether it is Chrome or what do you call it, Bing, the Microsoft Edge. Then just type chatgpt.com in the in the URL bar here, not the one. So when you open a new tab like this, don't type the chatgpt.com here. Rather, type it here in the URL bar, and you search for it, and you are good to go. Just feel, is that okay?
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. You know, it's always give your machine. There's always issues when you install apps on your PC. For me, for instance, I don't use Windows, so most of the apps I cannot even, install them. I have 256 GB SSD, but I don't really like, downloading a lot of things because it's just not my type, my kind, something like that.
Right.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. I just wanted to do a quick demo of how we can use AI to help boost ourselves as humans to be current, to increase our productivity and all those stuff. So I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't enjoy, I'm sorry. Maybe you enjoy the next session. And now we are done with the Python and all those stuff. Not like we are not going to treat a session like Python testing. So Saturday, I want to summarize everything we learned on Python, and then Sunday we will start the actual data science stuff, where we would start learning about data, the rows and columns, how to make meanings from them, and all those stuff. The actual data science process. So I'm very glad you've made it to this far. If you don't understand anything, pin your questions. Just pin your questions down, and on Saturday, I'm going to run you through the first thing we did to the last where you ended, and then I'm going to answer all your questions, try to make it very, very easy for you to grasp something. If you still don't get it, don't worry. You practice more, you watch a lot of videos. I'm planning to do a lot of extra videos for you guys so that you can, always understand things. So, and once we start the actual data science stuff too, I guess you would understand it better too. So now I want to open the door for questions. Do you have any questions, guys? You just ask a question and we are good to go. So we two now. Josephine, do you have a question? So while we wait for Josephine, Ebenezer, do you have any question to ask?
No, please.
Did you
I'll
enjoy the
I'll try
class?
my hands on. Yes, I did. I'll try my hands on whatever we just did, and ask me if we are if there's any challenge. I'll get to you.
That's fine. Josephine,
Yeah.
Josephine, are you there?
No, I'm fine. Yes, I'm
Okay.
fine. I'm here.
I hope you learned something.